Hey folks, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to cancel Audible Premium Plus. So in order to cancel it, what you need to do is you need to come to audible.com. Now over here, you need to click on the sign in button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to provide your email address or your mobile number and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account first. After that, near the search bar, you need to select the Audible in the site navigation. Then you need to select the Audible membership. After that, select the settings option and select cancel membership option. Now you will be asked to confirm the cancellation, so you just have to simply press continue in order to cancel your subscription. After you cancel, you can get an email confirmation, and your membership status on your Audible on Amazon settings page will also reflect this change. So with the help of these instructions, you can easily cancel your Audible Premium Plus subscription. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.